Hey guys, this is sticker album collection, and yeah, so I have put my stickers in albums and some have not, but yeah, I kept it for like 2 years already. So first of all, I have this page which is really cute, and the picture can change, right? And these are water stickers. Let me just focus it. And there's water inside. So yeah, and the pictures will change. So yeah. Excuse me. They have this page. This one. And sorry about my nose. So yeah. And these are crystal stickers, which is like pop out, right? And it's super cute. So yeah, and I love these. And yeah, and it's really hard to find these nowadays. I don't know why, but yeah. And then I have this page. This one. And this one. Some of the sticker fell off, but it's supposed to be, oops, shaky. After that you shake, cause there's things inside. So yeah, I have this book one, and this one. I really like this one. So yeah, and they have like fell off. I don't know why, but yeah. So the next one will be this Mickey and Minnie. They have this shining stickers. This one. So yeah. Okay. So then I have this puppy sticker, which is really cute. And yeah. Then I have this handiwork stickers. And then I have this sticker, which is really cute, and I've already used it for some reasons, and yeah. Then I have this stickers, this umbrellas, which is shiny, and I love this one because it's really cute, and yeah. And then I have these stickers. Let me just open it. So yeah. And these smell really good, like you can ever imagine. So yeah. And they smell like strawberry or mini grape. So yeah, which is really cute. And I bought it from Orchard Road, Singapore shopping mall center. I have this one. Yeah, this one. Then just finding my stickers. Okay. And then I have this one, Cutie Berry. And these smells really good, like you can ever imagine. And I bought it from shopping mall, Orchard also. So yeah, and I kept them in this baggie because I don't really want the smell to go off. And yeah, so just let's open it. But I'm not gonna open up the things. I'm just, yeah. They have this berry. The berry smells like berry, and the happy shake smells like strawberry. This one is much cuter, and the smell is stronger. So yeah, and it each costs $1.95. And here are the designs. Let me just focus it. So yeah. And sorry that it has been already like 6 minutes. But yeah. But the design on this is like much cuter. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.